Welcome back, Kevin Ebsworth here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use this brand new piece of software called AI Compulsive Content Generator, which is going to help make your life a lot easier. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how this works. This works off a three-step system, and it gives you everything that you need to gain authority online. It's absolutely amazing, easy to use. So have you ever heard of the expression, teach them something and give them value, and then it leaves them wanting more? Now, what we've created here is a three-step system, okay, which allows you to use something like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or anything like this, okay? So we're going to talk about whatever niche you want to get into. So I'm just going to write in there like affiliate marketing. Okay, so what this does is going to generate you a prompt to put into like ChatGPT or Gemini or anything like this. So you can click on the copy and paste it into ChatGPT. Click the button here that says open ChatGPT, and then we paste it in here. So what this does is it's giving ChatGPT a prompt for them to give you a prompt back. Okay, so this is giving you a content idea. So as you can see here, the offer is in the business, conversation before, stop chasing clicks, it's never going to buy, the one problem rule for affiliate marketing content. So it's giving you 5 ideas here, and you can ask it to give you some more. So you can say like, give me more ideas, and ChatGPT will give you more ideas. But I'm going to pick one here. So if we go for this one, content for idea. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this and paste it. So right click copy, will take you back to the generator, and you then click on the I have my ideas. Okay, so then what you do is you paste that idea into here. Now this is going to generate you 5 prompts. So there you go, it's just generated you 5 prompts, working very, very quickly here. And it's giving you the content prompt, it's giving you the try this with AI prompt, okay, finish graphic prompt. So this is so you can post it up on social media, and you have on top of that as well, you got a keyword research prompt as well, and hashtag prompts. So when you come down to the bottom here, these are working off very strict instructions. So it says copy all 4 text outputs. So this is about keywords in it. So once you do that, you then open up ChatGPT again. I'm just about to paste. Watch it load. So as it's pasting it into ChatGPT, here we go. I'm going to give you content. It's going to give you this is working on the brief. There we go. So it's working on content here. So when I go back to this, what it's doing is creating a prompt. This has created a prompt that is working off of like major integrations that I put into the back of the system, that it works off specific keys. Okay, so it's very, very straight down the middle, talking to you more like a human. So it's not any of the AI dribble that you normally get, and it's giving you absolute content here. Okay, so as you can see, it's 1,000+ words for content. It's also giving you keywords along here, audience language, registered keywords here, and then it's giving you recommended hashtag. So it's done all of that. Okay, so the next bit, we come back to the software. And then you go back into ChatGPT, and it's now going to generate you an image. Okay, so it's giving you specific instructions that we've programmed the back of the AI Compulsive Content Generator to give you the best content out there. Okay, so as you can see, it's talking you through all of the content, and then it has this try this with AI. So it's giving you the prompt to put in there as well. So when somebody comes to read your content, what normally happens is they think, oh, this is really, really good. And then in the comment section, you can have this, try this with AI prompts. So let me show you. Go to so check this out here. Okay, so this here, it wrote me out a brilliant piece of content, as you can see, all the way down. So it's given me all the keywords. It's given me this amazing picture to fit this post. And then it's given me this, try this with AI. And then you can use it with whatever, and it gives you the AI prompt. So you can use it with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Meta AI, Copilot, or another general purpose AI assistant. Replace the examples information inside brackets with your own information, then copy and paste the complete prompt into your AI. So it's giving you everything that you need to help you get more authority online. So people then come and copy it and then put it back in. So look here, look at the image that it's generating. So give it a few minutes because it's going to be HD image. Here we go. Your first commission starts with trust deposit. So look at that. Okay, so that goes with this content. Your first commission usually starts with a trust deposit, and it's giving you that great piece of information here. So what I'll do is I'll write this, I'll put this into my Facebook just to show you how it works. So I'll copy this. Into Facebook, paste that in there. We can then type in this, try this with AI. So it might leave a little bit extra gap there. And then on the bottom of that, I mean, you can put that, try this with AI in the comments as well. Okay, so you can put that up there. And then I'm going to go back here, and then it says primary keywords. Okay, so you got all the keywords here, but I want my hashtags because on Facebook it's more about hashtags. When you're, I mean, you can use this as a video, so you can put it into a video software, and what happens is you can actually use the keywords for your videos as well. So you can see how powerful this is. So I'm just going to put it out there. So it's got all the hashtags, everything like this. I forgot to do the image, so I'll put the image in there in a second. So let me go to the image. So you click on this and you click download. You download the image. So before I download the image, let me take the name. One little tip here. Once you download the image, take the name of the post and name it that. Okay. So that post is now up on Facebook. I'm just going to edit it. So I did forget to add the image. There's the image as well. So now, as you can see me doing this live, it's giving you the image with all the information there. So once they click on it, they can see the good writing in here. So it doesn't sound like dribble. We programmed this to sound specifically like a human and an intelligent human as well. And it gives you great information in here. all about affiliate marketing. And then if people want to try this with AI, then they can copy this prompt and then put it in their own AI. Okay, so we bring this back. As you can see, this is an absolute amazing piece of software. You're going to be able to access this on the link down below. So go ahead and actually use this. You're going to love it. So go ahead, use it, and start building authority online. Hopefully, this will help you free up some time to spend with the family or to go out and do whatever you need to do, because it's going to take all that effort away on creating content and gaining authority online. So the more you keep it up, the more people are going to see your post. They're going to see that AI prompt, that they're going to be able to test it out for themselves and see how they're getting on with it. And then they're going to keep coming back because they're going to see your posts up again and they want to try that prompt out again. You're going to be giving them information and they're going to come back, and then eventually they're going to purchase off you at the same time on whatever you want to sell them. Okay, so thanks again. Go and check it out on the button down below, and I'll see you soon.